Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Okay, today I'm going to show you this one array button in FreeModeling. Okay, there's an array button which is line array and circle array. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, first thing first, I draw a rectangle. Okay, I draw here like this. So this one maybe I'll make it like press tab. Press tab to select your bottom here, as you can see down here. Okay, press tab. Okay, select my length 1000. Then the width I go 200. Then press enter. Okay, to get the size I want. Right. Next, I stretch up 200. Okay, double click it. I can group. Okay, left click it twice. Right. Next, is line array. Okay, right click to cancel first. Then I select one more time, which is my point is here. Select. I can pinpoint like this. Okay, if you don't want, you bottom here, you can key in the number. Right. Which I press my tab. So let's say my array number I put 15. Okay, 200. If you want to go 200, you can go for 300. See, it will change the size. Okay, Y will be there. See, it will go like that. Okay, it will go 200. Okay, if don't have, I go back this one, go back 200. This one go back to 0. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, I'll show you guys one more time. Okay, select my array, select already, right? Okay, select my array, select the pinpoint I want. Okay, select my object, select array line. Okay, right click to cancel, then left click from this pinpoint to this pinpoint. Okay, my tab here put 15. There you go. They look like something like a staircase. Right. Next, to show you guys is a circle array. Okay, you can do something like this. So first thing first, I add auxiliary. Okay, I go here, maybe I go 2000. Then I come here, 2000. Okay, something like this. Okay, then I draw a circle. Maybe this can give me 200. Then draw one more, 2000. Oops, too big. So I go 1005. Okay, something like this. Okay, and this time I want to cut it out. Okay, I use line from here, endpoint, until this edge line. Okay, cut like this. Then from here, cut. Okay, like this. Next, I'll cut half. So, okay, my midpoint is here. Okay, cut half there like this. And cut here, go to my midpoint. Midpoint. Okay, like this. Then I want to use this half. Select it, separate. Okay, after that separate, we hold Control button, left click, select everything, delete. Okay, next, stretch up 200. Okay, after that, double click it, group it together. Okay, next, I press this array, press circle array, select my this point for here first. Okay, where is my, okay, select again. Okay, select my object, select circle array here, where I select this is my endpoint. Then you can see, as you can see, it can go start like this. Okay, so select which side. So I select my this one. Okay, maybe this edge here. Okay, this one. Okay, same thing, press tab. So let's say I go for 15. Okay, so my height statement just now is 200. So I set back 200. Okay, it will do something like this. Press enter. The angle can only to change. If you change, it will go different already. Alright, press enter. There you go. You have something like this. This is circle array. Okay, then this is line array. Once you're done, you press return. You actually can apply texture. Okay, there's 3 methods. Okay, so for texture, come back to a texture general library. So for example, I put one like this. If I have never pressed any button, it only become one like this. If you got group it, okay, you press Control button, you only just single group. if your whole object, which is like this whole thing is group, once I ungroup, see, it become one group, alright? So I group back them, alright? So there's a difference is, once I press shift button, left click, there you go, it looks something like this. Otherwise it become like 1, or control button 1, yeah, if you shift button, there you go, it looks something like this. Okay, hit the like button and subscribe. Alright, thank you, bye bye.